Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a soft glam makeup look using all drugstore affordable makeup products. I also included a little bit of sparkle because it's the month of the holiday, so I'm really excited to show you how to create this, and hopefully you're gonna try it on your own eyes as well. So before I go in with any eyeshadow, I am first always priming my eyelids like always. This removes the redness from the eyelid. It will make sure that the eyeshadow will stay longer in place, and it creates a nice blank canvas. So this is the palette I'm gonna use today. I'm gonna mention all the products in the description bar. Now I wanted to show you how my eyelids look when I completely relax my eyes. So my eyes are slightly hooded. They're not super hooded, but they are a little bit, like when I relax my eye. I always lift my eyebrow whenever I film a video, as you can see right here. It just makes the eyeshadow blending a lot more easier, and I can kind of see a little bit better what I'm doing. And I don't know, I just always do it this way. I'm sure if you're watching this and you have hooded eyes, I think you probably lift your eyebrow as well. Let me know in the comments if you do this as well. But whenever I show you guys the end result of my eye looks in all my videos, I always slightly lift my eyes because it just looks better. But I don't want to give you guys the idea that my eyes are like completely perfect, because I also struggle with a little bit hooded eyes. So I just wanted to show you in today's video that even though you have a bit hooded eyes, you can still rock a eye look. Now some people are gonna watch this and probably think, what are you talking about? Your eyes are not hooded at all. Well, I don't agree. They're definitely a little bit hooded, but maybe not as much as other people. But yeah, hopefully the trick that I told you guys by lifting your eyebrow, it just makes it so much more easier. And yeah, I just hope this tip will help you guys. So I used a brown shade in the crease, then a kind of bronzy color on top of the eyelids, and then now I'm gonna create kind of like a eyeliner effect using eyeshadow. So what I always do, because I do have slightly hanging eyelids, I always make sure to open my eyes in between the session, if that makes sense. So I just apply a little bit of eyeshadow, then I open my eyes to see how it looks, then I close my eyes again and add more product, and I just repeat this because of course I want the eyeshadow to look nice when I have my eyes closed, when I kind of lift my eyebrow, but of course I also want it to look good when I just open my eyes and just normal interact with people. So it's just a tip to, like, in between applying your eyeshadow, just look straight forward into your mirror and just see how everything is looking. I'm not really worried most of the time if my eyeliner looks a little bit weird when I have my eyes open, as long as it just looks kind of clean. But also don't be too hard on yourself. If you do have hooded eyes and you still want to rock a eyeliner, I would just say, just do you, don't worry about it. As long as you feel confident in it, that's all that matters. So now after doing this, I went in with the NYX Cosmetics glitter adhesive, and I used this gorgeous sparkle from BH Cosmetics, which is kind of like a champagne golden glitter. It's really pretty. So first I applied a little bit of the NYX Cosmetics glitter adhesive on the eyelid, and then I used that same brush and kind of softly dipped some glitters on top of my eyeliner. No, not on top of my eyeliner, on top of my eyelids. So I didn't want it to apply too much glitter. I just wanted a little bit of glitter going on. Now I opened my eyes for you guys so you could see that you don't really see a lot of the glitter because the eye space like above my eyelid kind of covers it when I open my eyes. So I would suggest, if you have hooded eyes, to apply the glitters a little bit higher, so when you open your eyes you can still see like the sparkles like right above it, which I think is really pretty. So I just applied a little bit more because on one of my eye I actually applied more, so I was forced to do the same at the other eye as well. Then I went in with a combination of the two brown colors that I used before and applied this all the way underneath the lower lash line using a Sigma Beauty flat definer brush. I do have a special discount code for all Sigma Beauty brushes. They actually have, in my opinion, the best brushes. I use them all the time. So I have a special discount code in the description bar in case you want to purchase any of their products. So now I curled my lashes. I actually used the one from MAC Cosmetics, but you also have some affordable ones. I have one from Essence, which works really nice as well. But this one is my favorite. So then I went in with this Creme gel liner pencil from Colourpop in a beautiful kind of warm brown color, which suits really nice with that brown color that I used to create that eyeliner effect. So I'm applying this all the way in the lower lash line, and what I really like about using a brown pencil in the waterline is that it really pops the eye color. Like, if you would compare it to black, I think brown just does a lot more for your eye color. So that's my personal favorite choice. So now for my mascara, I use the Maybelline Sky High Mascara, which is my favorite drugstore mascara. I absolutely love this one. Let me know if you tried it out. This is my second new bottle that I'm using. I just really like it. So I used this on the upper lashes and the bottom lashes. I decided not to go in with any false lashes to keep this eye look a little bit more simple to recreate. Of course, if you're recreating this makeup look and you do want to wear some lashes, I would definitely say let's do it. That would be really pretty as well. But yeah, this is the finished result. I really hope you all enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy. That's really helpful for my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and hopefully I will see you all in the next one. Bye guys!
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand.